Hello everyone, I am Alianza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. Gusto ko lang ipamahagi sa inyo ang hindi kong nalalaman tungkol sa health natin. Pero bago natin umpisahan, kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Kung mayroon naman kayong gustong itanong sa akin tungkol sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. Let's go na guys! Umpisahan na natin ang topic natin today about PCOS or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. Yung topic natin na ito guys ay mangyayari sa kahit sino mang babae. Sana makakuha kayo ng kunting aral dito sa topic kong ito. Ano nga ba ang PCOS ay Polycystic Ovary Syndrome? Is a common hormonal condition that affects women of reproductive age. It usually starts during adolescence, but the symptoms may fluctuate over time. PCOS or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome can cause hormonal imbalances, irregular periods, excess androgen levels, and cysts in ovaries. Irregular periods usually with a lack of ovulation can make it difficult to become pregnant. Kaya mostly sa mga kababaihan ng mga nagre-reach pa lang ng 20 or pa-above, irregular periods usually with lack of ovulation can make it difficult to become pregnant. Hindi naman lahat, pero mostly sa mga magkakaroon ng PCOS ay mahirap magbuntis. Ang PCOS kasi guys, or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, is a chronic condition and cannot be cured. Some symptoms can be improved through lifestyles. At saka ang PCOS is a leading cause of infertility. Some symptoms can be improved through lifetime changes, medication, and fertility treatments. Ang iba pang kababaihan nga nagkakaroon ng ganyan, nabubuntis kasi magpapaalaga sila ng OB-GYN, magtitreat sila ng fertility treatment. So the cause of PCOS is unknown, but women with a family history or type 2 diabetes are at higher risk. PCOS is a problem with hormones that happens during reproductive years. You may not have periods very often. So mostly sa mga nagkakaroon ng PCOS ay irregular ang periods nila or hindi ba magtatagal ng ilang araw. May mga kababaihan na ganyan ang type ng menstruation nila. So you may have also too much of hormone called androgen in your body. There are many small sacs of fluids developed along the outer edge of the ovary. These are called cysts. The small fluid-filled cysts contain immature eggs. These are called follicles. The follicles fail to regularly release eggs. Symptoms of PCOS is irregular periods, and those periods may have trouble getting pregnant. Too much androgen, high levels of the hormone androgen may result in excess facial and body hair called hirsutism. Polycystic ovaries might be bigger. Many follicles containing immature eggs may develop around the age of ovary. PCOS signs and symptoms are typically more severe in people with obesity. So when to see a doctor? If you are worried about your periods, if you're having trouble getting pregnant, or if you have signs of excess androgen. Yung sinasabing may mga extra hair sila, tinatawag natin yung hirsutism. This might include new hair growth on your face and body, acne, and male pattern baldness. Yan siya ang mga sign and symptoms ng PCOS. Sana guys, may natutunan kayo dito sa topic kong PCOS or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, lalo na sa mga sign and symptoms. Huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe. Pindutin niyo na rin ang notification bell dyan sa baba para updated kayo lagi kung may bago akong upload na video. Ngalagaan natin guys ang health natin kasi yan lang ang tanging kayamanan na bigay ni God sa atin. Remember everyone, health is wealth. Bye guys and God bless us.